Today we are walking over to the McColl behind ELC.
I got more on sea than here.
We are here to make observations of things we see and hear. I noticed that ducks are in the pond.
I noticed the water's flooding. I noticed that there were a lot of twigs on the road. I noticed that you could see through the water.
I hear birds chirping.
I saw poison ivy.
I saw birds flying. I saw ducks.
I've been unaware. I'm safe.
Work for cleaner air, seeking ways to spread the word to make their friends hungry. This little piggy bites for fun. This little piggy used windmills. This little piggy used sun. And this little piggy squealed recycle all the way home.
Birds chirping here and there, birds chirping everywhere. Through the night, through the day, they are always on the way. They're pretty, they're neat, they're on my feet. They're brown, they're blue, they're on my shoe.
Big trees, little trees, dull trees, brown trees, fat trees, skinny trees.
I see birds, branches, leaves, and wood chips. I see trees, ponds, fishes, and rocks. I see geese, grass, bugs, ants, some cans.
Birds tweeting, fish swimming, rocks blowing, ducks singing.
I can see a gleaming lake. I can hear the waves against the dock. I can see some logs, but no hogs. There are not yet frogs. The shore is calm, the silt awaits. There are no hates. This is Mother Nature. It is really grand, so come and give us a hand.